wild animals. They are always available in the township and the village level areas, and it is there is a friendly like of Mahatma Gandhi. Please observe and look forward. I would like to expose some medicinal plant which is very important one for all human beings in this world. It is not only meant for the Indians but also all the world people have observed and overlooked this medicinal plant. It's a very important one. Overlook it and observe it. Please, come on. First of all, I would like to expose it. The scientific name of this medicinal plant is Heliconia. Please come and see this. This Heliconia medicinal plant is more important for all human beings. Those who have practiced the medicinal plant, observe it. It's a very important one. Here you come. This Heliconian medicinal plant is exhibiting the large banana-like leaves and striking inflorescences flowers. It is just, you overlook it, its leaf is just like the banana tree's leaf. It has different names in different places, not only in India but also the abroad countries also. False bird a paradise is the first name. Second is Lobrostus clow and parrot plantain and makwa flowers also. It is called as a makwa flower. Its common name is plantatorium. In Hindi, it is called as a helicona, as you called jungli angur. In Odia, it is called as a hatisunda. Please observe and overlook it. Very important one medicinal plant. In Kalavati is the option name of Heliconia musa rostrata. In Assam, it is called as Horjoria. In Bengali language, it is called as a Haravanga. In Telugu, it is called as a Mogali. In Marathi, it is called as a Nagakunda. Its common name is Taukana Beak or wild plantation. Please observe. Very essential medicinal plant. It is very useful for all patients during their problematic state. In botanical name, for Heliconia refers to its genus Heliconesis. Now I would like to expose the types of Heliconia medicinal plant. The first types of medicinal Heliconia is called false bird paradise. Second one is Helicona pitacorium. And third one is Heliconia behind. Now I would like to expose in front of you about the important usefulness of this medicinal plant. The people of Bolivia have identified as the national flower of Heliconia medicinal plant. In Panama, Heliconia restaurant is used for treating skin cancer. Its origin at the South America subcontinent. Please understand and remember these points. Its origin at the South America subcontinent. Its ornamental value used in garden and cut flower arrangements and as a potted plant. This plant has produced oxygen for human beings during mix with the lower atmosphere. Its roots are supporting the patient glowing facial status. Those people have suffered in facial disorders, they can use its root for medicinal purpose. If a patient of insomnia suffered its leaves and flowers with black peppers, may root out these chronic diseases without any hesitation. This is a very important one, and observe it, overlook it, and may important for your future aspect. Let's I conclude my point. The every plants, medicinal plant, is a gift of all human beings. It's a gift of nature's God. They have given more priority to all human beings for medicinal purpose. Let us thanks to all of you. The Hind.